Hello everyone, today it's Isaac King Videos, and today we are going to be installing and upgrading from Android 14 to Android 16 using Evolution X. Today we're going to try and push the limits of this phone. I'm going to see if I could try and get Android 16 on this thing. Hopefully it doesn't have that sound issue. The only bugs it has is just a brightness slider, always on display, system freezes, and yeah, the flashlight thingy. Luckily that can be all fixed with other apps and stuff. So now let's get the files. We're going to download the repartitioner. And we're going to download the ROM. Once all the files are downloaded, we're just going to enable ADB sideload. And we're going to sideload the partitioner. Alright, it's done. If we have any mount issues like this, here's the fix. Go to wipe, advanced storage, system, change that to EX4, data to F2FS for very good performance, and we're going to use EX4 for that. There we go, we're done. We're going to be pushing the ROM to the external SD card. Once that's done, we're now just going to install the ROM like this. And there we go, it's installing the system image. Alright, it's flashing the vendor now. Alright, we're done. Let's reboot. As you can see right now, it's on the Samsung Galaxy S7 screen. Still on the Samsung Galaxy S7 screen. This is very tiny. I guess this was like designed for like a different screen size. Alright, I think it's starting up now. There we go. Evolution X. Set this thing to United Kingdom and proceed. File transfer. Connect to a mobile network. Interesting glitch. Look at this. The buttons are hidden behind the status bar. Why is it so big? Look at that, even the keyboard isn't line centered to it. Ah, that's much better. The gesture, make sure you don't swipe too close to the bottom of the screen. Go back. Do I really need to do this? Finally. Alright, all set. Oh, Android set keeps stopping. Alright, let's set up. Here it is. Android 16 on the Samsung Galaxy S7. So now let's go to About Device. And here it is. Android 16. There it is. Android 16 on a 10-year-old phone. And surprisingly, it actually is quite stable. Oh yeah, the buttons. Yeah, the navigation buttons don't really work at the bottom, but at least we got the bar here. That's the back button, that's the swipe up. Yeah. Remember the slider bar being all glitchy? It looks like it's working fine to me, but looks like it's flickering. There we go. It is working. So that is Evolution X on the Samsung Galaxy S25. Not S25, Samsung Galaxy S7. Does the camera work? The camera actually works. Nice. Let's take a photo with it. Yep, camera works. I saw the photo. The only glitch I noticed is the status bar. Look how buggy that is. Like, you can actually see through it. I don't like it when it does that. Okay, the navigation bar does actually work. only recent apps isn't loading, but yeah, this is working now. Apparently Google thinks this device is a Samsung Galaxy S10, so this must have been ported from the Samsung Galaxy S10. Let's do a basic test. So I've got some games right here, and I've actually got YouTube downloading in the background. I'm not gonna lie, that is actually quite fast for a 10-year-old phone. Okay, it seems like the volume rocker's glitched. Hey, it's fixed itself now. Alright, let's see if Block Blast works on this thing. Alright, first game of Block Blast. It is a tiny bit laggy, unfortunately, but luckily the sound issues are fine. So the volume is actually quite low right now, and it is actually playing at a fair sound. So as you can see, if you hear, you can see it's not at full blast like the other custom ROM I was trying. But yeah, it's the same lagginess on both ROMs, like. So yeah, that's quite laggy. It was quite laggy on the other ROM as well, but it was actually a bit better when I turned off Wi-Fi. Let's now try My Talking Tom. Game space keeps stopping. Oh dear, that's not good. Seems like the game process system is not responding. Okay, app's working now. It actually crashed on me before. Sound works properly. Gameplay is actually quite smooth. Yeah, quite responsive. Alright, let's try YouTube now. Alright, let's try a YouTube video. Okay, is response time.
Number one, it's totally addictive.
Okay, it's quite slow.
So everyone's talking about
This right there is a YouTube video. I use this for just listening to music, but this is running at 1080p 60 FPS. It's actually running surprisingly well. And also, picture-in-picture works. On the newer versions of YouTube, you don't need YouTube Premium for this, so it works fine on normal YouTube now. So yeah, this ROM is actually overall quite good, actually. You can see right here, it is actually quite fast. And also it's quite responsive on loads of stuff. Alright, I'm going to end the video here now. That right there is Evolution X on the Samsung Galaxy S7. 2016 phone, running beautifully and actually quite responsibly in 2026. So yeah, it's actually quite good, this ROM. And I haven't had any issues with it so far. The camera works and everything works. The only bug is the flashlight, which crashes the system UI. As you can see right here, that's the only glitch. And also, always on display actually crashes the system. So I need to turn that off. Luckily, it's off by default. So now let's lock the phone. Here it is. Okay, that must be a glitch. Alright, so anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe, click the like. Okay, shutting down and powering on the phone is actually quite unresponsive, unfortunately. But yeah, that's the end of the video now. So, thanks for watching and subscribe.